Hi viewers, myself I am Dilip Kumar, studying in Savita School of Engineering, CSE Department first year. Today we are going to discuss about concept mapping in human-computer interaction, and in that we are going to discuss about computer. The computer was discovered by Charles Babbage in the year of 1822, and it is upgrading day by day with the Windows, and the present Windows what we are using is Windows 10, which is an upgraded version. And entering into the concept mapping, the computer components are hardware and software. Software is further classified into system software and browser. Operating systems are Windows, Linux, and OS X, and the browsers are Opera, Chrome, and Firefox. The most common browser what we are using nowadays is Chrome. And on going to hardware, there are several classified in hardware system. There are input devices, output devices, storage devices, computer system, motherboard, internal components. And the output devices are classified as speaker, monitor, printer, headphones. The storage devices are HDD, CD, DVD, and Blu-ray, which is an high quality storage device. And the input devices are keyboard, scanner, microphone, gamepad. And there are several types of computer systems. The first one is tables, PDS, and the third one is workstation, supercomputers, notebooks, personal computers, and notebook. And the final one is netbooks. And coming to internal components, there are two types of internal components. The first one is PSU and the second one is cooler. PSU means, the full form of PSU is power supply unit, which decreases the AC voltage from the plug to DC power, which is supplied to the system. And the cooler is the one which cools the system when it was, or it will be cool when it will be hard. And in motherboard there are five classifications. The first one is GPU, ROM, and the third one is CPU, fourth one is chipset, and the final one is RAM. And we all know RAM, CPU, ROM. ROM means read only memory. RAM full form is random access memory. ROM is a permanent storage device, stores data in GB, non-volatile, used for setup process of computer. Writing data is very slow, whereas in RAM, random access memory, it stores data temporarily, stores data in MB, and it's volatile, used in normal operators, writes data in fast manner. And CPU. CPU, Central Processing Unit, which performs input output logical operators, arithmetic operators in the computer system. And the other one is GPU, Graphics Processing Unit, is a chip that is present in a CPU to perform calculations. In the olden days, CPU is performing the calculations, but in present in advanced graphics processing unit is processing the calculations in the system, and there is nothing discussed about chipset. Thank you.